And oh my God, this linen jacket, it has so many details that I absolutely love. It just drew my eye. Get into this little trench style linen jacket. I have never seen anything done like this that wasn't in the designer realm. The cuffs on here are so cute with the belt loops, the detail. They are adjustable with the button. There's 2 button options on here to adjust the cinch. The button is hidden, so they really put thought into that. I love when a design is thoughtful. The same goes for the waist. A good cropped jacket is very modern and chic. It gives a little character to it. The lapels on here are beautiful. I love when they just haphazardly flap like that, just like a good pea coat or a trench coat. I'm in love with this little jacket. I'm so glad I was able to snag it up. I'm not sure if it's still available. Hopefully it is. It is super cute, comfortable, very classy and modern at the same time. And I needed just a cute little corseted top. I'm really gravitating towards the corset top and a wide leg pant combo. Is more of a rib knit, but not as thick and hot as rib knit. It has a very good amount of stretch. That's what really sold me on this. It looks corseted or as if it has boning in it, but it doesn't. It's very soft and comfortable. Very cute layering piece if you don't want your arms out. Denim goes great with everything. That's why it's a great thing to wear year-round if the weather in your area permits. I wanted something in a lighter wash. It pairs well with those brighter colors that are trending, like the electric blue and that bright orange and those rich green colors. Goes great with this. This last piece from Gap Studio gave me the blues, literally and figuratively. This denim dress was so elusive. It kept going out of stock, restock, going out of stock again. I had it snatched out of my cart at least twice. So rude. I was going to buy it, like, give me like 2 seconds. Nonetheless, I was able to obtain this gorgeous denim dress. I wanted something with a little detail, and the details in here really drew me in. The layering of the denim pieces to create these seams all over the bust and the skirt was so attractive to me. It has a slit in the back, so it's easy to walk in. Some designers forget to do that. It has a zipper in the back that does not stand out. It blends right in with the contrasting stitching of the dress. I hate when there's like a big old white silver zipper going down the back of a dark colored dress. That is absolutely ridiculous. It is cut nicely. It doesn't have much stretch, so you should definitely size up to make sure that it fit properly through the hip area. I also have broader shoulders, so I wanted to hang from my shoulders seamlessly. It turns out that was a good idea. I probably also built this for a different look and feel. I would definitely wear this in the fall over a sweater or sweater on top of this and just pin the sweater up to make it more cropped. This will eat in a good hookah lounge with a cocktail, if you know what I mean. Let me know in the comments what item that you have been shopping for that has been elusive and escaped your grasp. Like the video, definitely subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah.